Hi everyone, this is Tina. Nice to see you all. I have gotten in trouble the past couple weeks for copyright on music, so I have decided I'm going to start voiceovering all of my videos. So I wanted to show you this tile that I got from Home Depot for like 10 cents. And I'm going to start with HDTV's Infinity. And the reason that we put this down here, I'm trying to do a little squirt, but as you can see in a second, there's a lot. So if you do that on the bottom of your canvas and your tile, it will should keep them from flying off and spinning around. Yeah, okay. I guess I have to have a certain direction, even though it's going to circle, but. So I'm going to start with my HDTV Infinity paint, which is white. And you're going to see me poking a lot of little holes here in a second. And what that does is I'm popping any of the air bubbles that are in it. And of course, my poker's behind me. Let's see. Yep, that was so fun. Poke, poke, poke. And Gertie's gonna come visit. So I do believe the first one I start with is, let me look and I'll tell you in just a second. Turquoise blue. And it is an opaque, so that's why I'm putting it down first. I've got to button this up or she will eat through my cord. She likes the metal buttons. So this is Joe Sonia's Turquoise Blue. That's my little base, quarter size. Please do not think I know what I'm doing. That's a disclaimer I should throw out there. I'm just playing around. It's just Gertie's world. We're all living in it. This is Golden Peach. It's a TLP. Absolutely love these little piggies. They're sold at Fluid Art Co. It is a pigment, so it's going to go on as my second. I thought this would be a cool combination because the blue might show through a little bit on the orange peach. So let's give it a try. My third one is also a pigment. I do believe it's TLP's Penwell. Yep. This is probably by far one of my favorite TLPs. It is beautiful and it mixes beautifully with everything. So I'm going to act like I know what I'm doing, kind of like Lisa Marvin, and doing some cute little swirls. But hey, you know, fake it till you make it. Gertie, you need to get out of there. That's my port. I'm watching this with you guys. Okay, so this one is something violet. Good gracious, who knows? It is an opaque, though, or a semi-transparent. And I did that because those seem to do better. The cell activators do better on top of those. But this one is velvet. It's a TLP interference. And again, I'm going to be like Lisa Marvin and Sheila and just throw that interference color down there and hope somehow it makes wonderful greatness. I do know that with the cell activators, I just found this out as well, keep it centered. And then when you put this down, there should be a small halo. Flip it up. So there should be a small halo, and you do not need to wait. I did not know this. You need to like blow immediately. I don't have enough blow left in my wings, so I have to use this little world's largest blower without the tip. And I try to get the cell activator just over the colors. But I really liked the way that I was getting cells there for a second. So you can see me trying to do the blowing and pulling back, but, you know. This is like opposite of everything, I think. Again, I'm going to mention Lisa Marvin for the third time because I just got to watch her how to blow video. I do not give as good of blow jobs as she does. But, hey, I tried. And Tina, that's horrible. Look at all that white right there. Girl. You better blow. So what you want to do here is little puffs. I'm laughing because I know I still screw up so much like I did right there. But anyways, You're supposed to do little puffs until the color underneath it pops. And if you blow too hard, you sometimes get the house paint pop up in white, and that's not what you want. At least that's my understanding. Yep. Gertie's up there just doing her thing. Come on, little babies. Haha, look what I made. I'll tell y'all later if anybody wants to know. I had to make myself a little mess shield because my husband might kill me if I messed in the dining room. Let's get it back to center. I'm so scared. I'm either putting not enough paint or too much paint all the time. Oh, yeah. Let's pretend I know what I'm doing. Have no idea. Just twirl, twirl, twirl. Those colors turned out amazing, though, didn't they, guys? I mean, I might be proud of this one. My little babies. And Gertie's like, what the hell are you doing, Mom? Yep. I'm covering up open cups. Don't laugh at me. I'm doing the best I can, you guys. Whew. Little spinnery once, and I feel like it's lopsided. It is. It is. But I don't know. For some reason, I thought maybe if I spun hard enough the opposite direction, it would fix it. But I will tell you, I am dying. I love the blue cells. The difference, the color pop from those teal and white. They made this whole piece. Yeah, it's not really perfect, but you know what? It's pretty damn close for a 20-cent tile. I'm going to give that a 1 star. Needs to try again. Yeah, and here I realize that I don't have enough paint left on my tile, so I just need to stop right there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you again.